Hey, what up gang? Welcome back to another episode here on the BeDistinct channel. In today's video, we're gonna go ahead and install some side splitters on the Nissan Z. By the way guys, I hope all of you guys had a Thanksgiving. I hope you guys all spent it with your family and had a fun time. Definitely ate some really good food around Thanksgiving. But let's introduce the sponsor for this video. Sponsor for this video, see if I can unroll it. Oh my god. Right here is a small front splitter and it is from Street Aero. Street Aero has been super kind enough to supply the Nissan Z with a brand new side splitter, and we're going to be installing that today. We also have some new wheels that are on the way. I think they'll look really good. I'm not sure if they'll look that good with this color, but I am going to be switching up the color. I'm just waiting for that color to be in stock because it is currently out of stock right now. So I did speak with the wrap company and they said they're going to be in stock in about 2 to 3 weeks, and it's been 2 weeks as of now. So hopefully within this next week or so, film should be in stock and we should be able to get the wrap on the Nissan Z. Anyways, we got one job right now. We got to pull up this car and then we got to pull out this car so we can put this in the middle. By the way guys, my 4-stars are still for sale. I need to sell these 4-stars so I can have some cash to buy some 3-piece custom wheels. I was actually thinking of mounting these wheels on the Nissan Z. I think the design of the 4-star looks really good, super deep concave. So I was actually thinking about slapping these on for the Honda and for the Volkswagen. I am so tired guys. My cousin from SoCal came down for Thanksgiving and he's like a gym guy and he made me go to the gym and made me go hard for the first time, and I cannot even lift my arms. We did like back or something like that. Holy crap, I'm in pain. But cool start, here we go. Okay, little supercharger one. Let's get a cold start on the Nissan Z. Not bad, not bad. We're still working on getting that exhaust. They should be finishing it up very soon. But we should have a cat back for the Z coming soon. Alright guys, so here are the side splitters. I was there in person when they engraved it, because I actually went to SoCal and I saw them engrave the side splitter. I didn't see them make it, but I saw them engrave it and put my name on it. Alright guys, we're here at Street Aero and this is the owner's car, dude. Never seen it. Actually, I saw it last year in SEMA 2021. Bro, this thing, imagine daily driving this, bro. Oh my god. The science behind this, I don't even know. So I believe this is a 2J. Alright, here we go. Let's open this bad boy up. So this right here is the part where it says official Street Aero sponsor, and it has my IG tag. Alright, so first thing we're gonna even do is clean the bottom. We're gonna clean the bottom before we even install it. So you can see all the mud that's stuck on the paint, but you don't wanna, if you have mud, don't take it off with your fingers like I'm doing when it's attached to the paint. Just spray it and soften up the mud first. Soften up the mud and you can see it's like it almost removes it by itself. Alright guys, so we pretty much just put the jack stand right now. We just mocked it up right now. It looks like everything's fitting good so far. Here it is, it's mocked up. Kind of goes in, it goes wide, goes in a little bit. On the outside it kind of comes in. And then I kind of like this. So at the bottom, you can kind of see where the plastic ends right here. Then it becomes paint again. Well, they did that indentation so it goes with the splitter. So that's pretty neat. It's not just a straight side splitter, like it has curves to the car. So that's pretty neat. And so we're just gonna line up that plastic right there, that same indentation to this indentation right here. And it lines up perfectly. And that way the very end, you don't have to bolt anything in. It kind of just indents out and it kind of flows like this. And it just looks OEM, it looks like it's meant to. So I really like that about the side splitter, that they really take in consideration your exact car model and everything and make the curvature to your exact car. That's pretty sweet. So as far as hardware, they did include hardware here. There's 2 like self-tap-in screws type style right there. We're gonna use those to create the hole. Let's just go ahead and start drilling. We got 9 of these screws for each side.
The fitment looks good right there. Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, yeah. Go in.
Alright guys, so this whole splitter measures 70. What are you laughing at?
That looks crazy though.
So this whole splitter measures 70.5. We need the middle point now, so it's 35 1/4.
All 9?
Yeah?
No.
That's a lot, huh?
That's a lot. Think about when you had to take it off.
Drop it. Man, that's a monster truck. What happened? Why is the gap so big? I don't remember it being this big when we started. Pretty sick. So we're just gonna do the other side. It's pretty identical. It's just we're doing the same process on the other side. So we're just gonna show you a little fast forward version of me finishing the other side, and then let's show the final product. Alright guys, final product is done. Look at that. Kind of like that it's black and it's not carbon, just because there's no carbon in the car whatsoever. So looks pretty neat, looks pretty cool. I like it so far, but we do need like some kind of front lip. Honestly, I'm really waiting for like a freaking different aftermarket front bumper, one that's maybe a little bit lower in order for me to put a side splitter, or I might end up going with the Street Hunter front lip with the front splitter. You guys saw it at SEMA. It's a dual combo. I was thinking about doing that. It obviously comes in carbon, so I was thinking about doing that along with the diffuser add-ons right here on the side. There's some add-ons that come right here and then a little bit up right here. Something small, tiny, you know. But yeah, there you go. Here's the side splitter. Hopefully you guys like it. It's pretty subtle. I think we did a really good job, and we're done. Well, hey guys, that was the end of that video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Really short, sweet, simple video. Just quick install on the Z. Looks really good. I actually like it way more than I expected to, so that was really good. Huge thanks to Street Aero once again. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Like I said, we got more goodies for the Z to come out. It's just that some of the goodies for the Z are not quite available yet, so there's a lot of companies still working on parts. But also a quick little side note, we just received the certificate of origin for the Nissan Z. You guys are kind of confused, like what the hell does that mean? This is the last piece of document that I needed to freaking register my Nissan Z here in California. But I guess I'll summarize it here because I don't think I'll be making a video on this, or maybe I will, but I'll just tell you guys right now. So basically I bought this car in Phoenix, Arizona. I'm trying to register here in California because this is where I live, and so the process isn't quite easy as I thought. So basically I need 3 things. I needed to smog the vehicle even if it was brand new, so I need to smog the car. Second thing I need to do a VIN number verification. They just need to verify the VIN number. And then lastly, I need that certificate of origin to register the car. So I did what I can control. I did the smog on the car, and I did the VIN verification form at the DMV, and I got those knocked out. But the certificate of origin is from the dealer. That was their part, right? DMV told me to send it to the DMV, right? So the dealer sent it to the DMV. The DMV received the package and then sent it to another DMV headquarters for processing. I'm like, why would you do that? You told me to send it here. I called headquarters. I was like, dude, have you guys processed my paper? He's like, no, it's gonna take 6 to 8 weeks to process. That paper should have just stayed at the other DMV. When he told me that, I got so mad because I was like, bro, that's literally what I did anyways. I literally get a call a couple weeks later. I was gonna wait out the 6 to 8 weeks, and I get a call from my dealer saying, hey, this is actually super strange. The first time I ever see this, but they actually sent us that certificate of origin back to us because they couldn't process without the other documents. I'm like, bro, are you kidding me? So look, I made the dealer send that certificate of origin to me. That's the paper right there. And so now I'm gonna take all 3 pieces of paper to the DMV and hopefully get this car registered, which means I might have to pay the additional taxes on this car, which would suck. That was a wrap. I'll catch you guys next video. Thank you guys.